Hello, today I'm in Subaru Forester. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through radio. We can change radio station, radio volume, mute, unmute radio or go back. Also we can change source of the radio and activate the voice assistant. Thanks to these two buttons, we can answer and end calls. Right here on the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control panel. Press this button to activate cruise control and to manage it. Thanks to these two buttons, you can change drive mode between S and I. Take a look at the bottom of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through top screen display. This is the classic feature in Subarus. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.